This is Muhammad Ali, and he's a Jotun master painter. He helps people make their homes beautiful, and he takes great pride in the trust they put in him. In this tutorial, we will be teaching you how to achieve the exterior even finish using our Jotashield Décor collection. For this finish, you will need an emulsion roller, a large scraper, and a small scraper. First, apply one coat of one of Jotashield primers as needed, and let it dry for 6 to 8 hours. After you're done priming the wall, you can begin with the real artistry. Using a scraper, apply a smooth, thin coat of Jotashield Décor High Build Fine. Allow the paints to dry for another 2 to 3 hours. Next, apply a thick second coat of Jotashield Décor High Build Fine and press hard to remove any excess paint. Use the scraper to smoothen the surface. You've now created the perfect exterior even finish design. You can achieve this finish in a coarser or finer look by using one of Jotashield Décor's other products, high build or traditional tex. Thank you for using this tutorial from Jotun, where we help you create beautiful exterior designs.